Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vaidehi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Monsoons are never complete without some nice crispy hot bhajiyas. Here's a recipe mixing both our monsoon favorites. We're making corn bhajiyas. I hope you enjoy this. I've got some American corn which has been boiled. To this I'm adding some freshly chopped coriander, chopped curry leaves, ginger garlic paste, Vaidehi Hing, some Chaat Masala, Red Chilli Powder, salt and some turmeric. I'm going to add in some besan flour and a little bit of rice flour to make our bhajiyas nice and crispy. To this I'm going to add a little water. We don't want it very thin, just a little to make a nice thick mix. Our bhajiya mix is ready. This only needs to be deep fried now. My oil is hot. I'm going to just take some corn pieces and throw them into clusters into my hot oil to fry. We need to fry this until golden brown. My bhajiyas are fried, nice and golden brown. I'm going to remove these, just draining them out on a kitchen paper, and these are ready to be served. Our corn bhajiyas are ready. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my recipe. Thank you.